DJ Dreams go beyond.
Site Engineer, Civil. We are seeking a qualified and experienced site engineer, civil, to oversee and manage the day-to-day construction activities of villa and residential tower projects. The ideal candidate should have strong technical knowledge in civil engineering, excellent site supervision skills, and the ability to ensure that all works are executed in compliance with approved drawings, specifications, and project timelines. Bachelor's degree, diploma in civil engineering. Minimum 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in villa or residential tower construction. Proven experience working with consultants and main contractors in the UAE GCC is preferred. Strong knowledge of civil works, structural details, finishing works, and construction techniques. Familiarity with local authority regulations and procedures. Proficient in reading and interpreting drawings and technical documents. Good communication, leadership, and team coordination skills. Proficiency in MS Office. Knowledge of AutoCAD is an advantage. Able to work under pressure and meet tight deadlines. Monthly salary AED.9K 11K, negotiable. Salary will be based on the candidate's experience and interview performance. UAE-based candidates only apply. Interested candidates, please send your CV only to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com. Please mention the position you are applying for in the subject line. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on the latest career opportunities in the UAE.